this? Exactly what you guess, I think, is correct. Okay, it is border layout, right? And that is what is the default layout. So now if you want to write the program for this, it is immaterial whether you write the statement set layout new border layout. Okay, because otherwise also the layout of frame is border layout. Okay, this component we have added in the north, this one we have added in the south, this one in the east, this one in the west, and this one at the center. Okay, so if for example you are just writing in the same manner that add b1, b2, b3, and you have not mentioned the dimension, the direction as the second parameter of add method, then what will happen? All the components by default will be added at the center. Okay, so whatever the last component you add, that only will be visible, because first component will be overlapped by the second component, second will be overlapped by the third, third will be overlapped by the fourth, and fourth will be overlapped by the fifth. So it's very important to mention the direction. Okay, so again import java.awt for buttons and the layout. Okay, and the frame extends frame, your program extends frame. Then 5 components enough to explain the layout. Then define all that 5 components, set the layout which is immaterial, you can put this in the comment also, it doesn't matter. Then add the component, this is important now. Okay, border layout dot north, border layout dot east, west, south, center. Okay, and it doesn't matter that first you are writing b1 and then border layout dot north, or first you are writing border layout dot north and then b1. You can use interchangeably, whatever way you want to use it. Okay, and from the constructor you call, from the main method you call the constructor. And the next one is grid layout. It will create the grid, and by default, if say you have written 2 by 2, so total 4 components you can accommodate on that grid. But if you add one more component to this grid, wherein you're given space for only 4 components, then nothing to worry, it won't give you the error. But by default, one column will be incremented automatically and not the row. It is column will be incremented. The program written in very small font, and I forgot to change the font size in this, but anyways you are now smart enough to write the code yourself. Let it be the assignment, you do it yourself. Okay, so import java.awt and write the program and create the constructor, or define all that 5 button and the set layout, not new grid layout 2 and add the components, set site, set variable, and from main you call the method. Now next one is card layout. Card is a stack of cards. With the card layout you will get, so say here you are going to use this object C. So you just can't write directly like other layouts that set layout new card layout. Rather you will have to create the object of card layout separately and then set layout C, because this C you are going to use, that C dot next will show you the next card, because it's like a bunch of cards. So you place one, add one component to the frame with the card layout, then when you add the second component, then it will be overlapped by the first, then the third one will be overlapped by the second one. Okay, so you can click on the button and can go to the next one with the next method of the card layout. Various methods are there in the card layout. Next, previous, you want to go to the previous card, or you want to go to the next card, you want to go to the first card, you want to go to the last card, or a particular card you want to show rather than any sequence, then give that name in the container frame. Okay, so that particular card will be displayed. So here is the program, that same way all this content is written, but here event is a must, because clicking on one button will show you the next button, right? So 3 buttons I have taken, B1, B2, B3. So B3 only will be visible. Now if I'll click on B3, then it will go to the next one. Okay, so next will be B1. Then again clicking on that will be B2. Again clicking on that will be B3. Again clicking on B3 will come back to B1. Okay, rest all is as it is. Like this is a constructor, set layout, card layout C, define all the 3 buttons, then add B1, B2, B3, then here this one is not added to JPanel. Swing components we are not working right now. Okay, so this is not there. Then B1 dot add action listener this, B2 dot add action listener this, all the 3 points of event handling. Implements action listener, registration of method on all the 3 components, and then the action perform method is the third point. What if clicking on the button? So C dot next layout. Okay, C dot next. So our program name, that is layout card dot this. So on this particular program, show me the next card. Okay, and call the constructor from the main. Okay, and what if you don't want to show any of the layout? Doesn't matter. You write set layout null, and with the set bounds method, you can place the